Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to make poached eggs. Pour boiling water into a shallow pan or frying pan, to a depth of about 3 centimeters. Bring back to the boil, then reduce to a simmer. Crack each egg into a cup, then gently tip. Using medium eggs, simmer for 2 minutes, soft. Carefully remove the poached egg with a slotted spoon and serve immediately.
Take our lead.
To check whether they're done, remove one carefully from the pan with a slotted spoon and give it a gentle push with a teaspoon. If it feels too soft, use your instincts. Put it back and give the eggs a minute or 2 more in the water to firm up.
Let's help you make your mark.
A really soft poached egg should take around 2 minutes and a soft to firm one will need 4 minutes. It depends on the size of the egg and whether you're using it straight from the fridge. To check if it's done, carefully remove your egg from the pan with a slotted spoon and give it a gentle prod with a teaspoon.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.